Fellow angelical hybrids, you are the manifested light energy blueprint in its frozen physical form. Beings of light playing out in a giant hologram, where a non-physical morphogenetic field surrounds you and is in bioresonance with your body. The body is the holographic interface. Your DNA, a divine antenna that is signaling, receiving, and transmitting bioelectric light and bioacoustic information from this field. The mental plane is part of this field, and it is where the thought process originates. Then, our neurons and microtubules pick up the signal, distribute it to the synaptic junction, and make thoughts manifest. The thinking mind is not located in our cortex. You can say that thought is formulated in a sort of mental cloud that interfaces with our brain. Thoughts create specific patterns of scalar frequencies. Therefore, you co-create and broadcast your very own personal reality hologram. Human beings have a scalar energy interferometer inside their heads, generating quantum spatio-temporal effects in the timeline. Every single thought affects the observable state of the body-mind-spirit system. This is why it is so important that we apply a mind filter to all of what we say and be relentlessly careful of our thoughts and actions. Because words are spellbinding, and the thinking mind or intellect is the generator of what happens, projecting ideas into the field. DNA can be activated by frequencies and light, but furthermore, every thought that we generate produces an energetic encryption in our DNA. In short, the words and sentences of our human language can recode our DNA and alter our consciousness. Specific words and language patterns translate into algorithmic codes or operational instructions for the body-mind-spirit system. Language generates a scalar template in our temporal lobes. These magnetic scalar waves are quasi-luminal energetic carriers that can activate quantum properties in the body, which in turn affect your DNA. Your choice of words and the intentions behind them are so powerful that they can manifest the blueprint of our lives. Wandering and directionless thought produce chaotic information arrays within the personal morphogenetic field, resulting in ineffective manifestation abilities. Conversely, thought guided by clear intention produces organized information, resulting in efficient manifestation. Thoughts will eventually materialize into reality, whether in this space-time vector or in other alternate realities. Angelical human beings, know that you are infinitely powerful, capable of healing and expressing your foremost potential. You have your very own internal biophotonic technology that can materialize healing and expanded consciousness. So be very careful with your choice of words. Fellow angelical humans, know that we are already living in the Great Awakening. In this awakening, each and every one of us is responsible for what we think and for our very own DNA activation. This ability makes us powerful entities capable of incredible transformation. When you activate your DNA, you will initiate the ascension process. The ascension is God's promise of salvation and redemption. This redemption will make of this planet the Garden of Eden, and we its proper stewards.